With this diagram, I am going to help you visually understand what Atma and Paramatma is. So Paramatma, the God, which is also called Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, is something like this. You can visualize it like this. And then from this Paramatma comes the Atma, which is you. So you're like a part of Paramatma. But to play this human game, you became a Atma. This Paramatma is all-knowing. But this Atma, to play the human game, it forgets that it is Paramatma. But forgetting does not mean that it is no more a part of Paramatma. You are this Atma in this world game. If you want true happiness, then you should connect to your source. Atma can have true happiness only when it's connected to Paramatma. This Atma, when it comes to the human world, you can see many people, they lose their connection. They don't want to be connected to Paramatma, God, and they get lost in this world game. They do bad things, they do evil things, and they think they can cheat their way to happiness, but they can't. What they get is fake happiness. They can never be truly happy. They can never have true peace. To have true peace, when Atma wants true peace, it should reconnect to the Paramatma. Because Atma can only get true peace and happiness by connecting to Paramatma. Now when you recite those mantras, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. This is what you should visualize. You should visualize that you are this Atma and there is this Paramatma and you are praising that Paramatma. Now because of Bhagavad Gita, that Paramatma, the name given to that Paramatma is Krishna. So Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. You are remembering the source of you. And remembering and connecting to that source gives you peace, gives you happiness, and it also gives you a lot of wisdom and knowledge and downloads that you need to play this human game. Now, I'll suggest you that when you are doing Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare mantra jap, which you do 108 times every day, you sit, you close your eyes. Personally, I like to use eye mask also. So, because to visualize this thing, the Paramatma in you, you have to visualize it internally. So, blocking these senses so you can go inwards really helps. Next, when you're doing the mantra jap, Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hariye Paramatmane Pranataha Kleshanashaye Govindaye Namo Namaha. In this verse, you are asking the Paramatma, the Krishna, to remove all the klesh in your life. So you as Atma is asking the help of Paramatma. एंड परमात्मा का तुम अब फोकस मांग रहे हो खुद के ऊपर. परमात्मा मुझ पे ध्यान दो और मेरे ये क्लेश जो है वो मिटाओ. ओनली परमात्मा कैन हेल्प आत्मा. So you should do this mantra also, and when you are doing this mantra, remember that you are not some victim, not some bichara, but you are the part of that source. You came from that source. You are just remembering your source. You were never, तुम कभी उस सोर्स से अलग थे ही नहीं. You just forgot that you are a part of it. Now हक से उस परमात्मा की मदद मांगो क्योंकि तुम उसी से आए हो.